This bus driver wanted to tell the nation something important.
I feel violated.
He posted this video after a female passenger boarded his bus in Detroit and coughed.
For you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic, that lets me know that some folks don't care. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did that. For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this serious. It's folks dying from this. Listen, it's folks dying out here.
4 days after he made the video, Jason Hargrove tested positive for coronavirus. He died on April 1st.
But if you haven't seen Jason Hargrove's post on social media and Facebook, everybody in Detroit and everybody in America should watch it because he was infected before we closed the front doors. And he tells the story of a passenger getting on the bus and coughing on him. And some of his language is graphic, but I don't know how you can watch it and not tear up. He knew his life was being put in jeopardy, even though he was going to work for the citizens of Detroit every day, by somebody who just didn't care, somebody who didn't take this seriously, and now he's gone.